This WAEC marking scheme would cover WAEC subjects where I will talk about objective, theory, and practical. And as well, I will talk about WAEC expectation. That's the method of presentation, how you will draw your diagrams, and the way you should enjoy your calculations. With time, I'll be uploading the expectation of WAEC. That's the scheme of WAEC for each subject. So don't forget to subscribe and also click the notification bell so that you will receive those videos as they ought. Let's quickly talk about the subjects. WAEC subjects are divided into objective, theory, and practical. And apart from the fact that you would need your pen to write your name, usually the objective part would require you to shade with pencil. That's paper 1. And when I'm talking about theory, it will require you to use pen. That's paper 2. And talking about practical, it would require you to use pencil and pen. And most of the time, paper 3 could be test of orals, like we are talking about English. About WAEC expectation, we are talking about the presentation aspect, the diagrams, and the calculation. Let me talk about presentation. Presentation, you have to understand how you spell things to them, and at the same time, you might write something correctly and they would not know. So your handwriting must be legible so that they will be able to understand what you write. And as well, we have the matter of subjects. There are different, like per subject, there are some topics that WAEC see every year that these people are not really able to catch up with. Like in biology now, we have genetics and the likes. More videos are coming up on that. And talking about diagrams as well, we have the usage of wrong title while labeling the diagrams, and looking at general things also about label. So make sure you understand that. And generally diagrams should be maybe while you are doing practical and sometimes in the objective. So talking about singular usage of singular and plural as well. Sometimes when you are labeling things, you need to use the singular form of that very word, but some will use plural, and that will cause another thing entirely. Now about calculation, we have several subjects that involve calculation. So talk about these subjects. The unit should be taken into consideration. The unit should be taken into consideration. The measurements, how you get inferences from your observations and the likes. And particularly, WAEC is to talk about reading your books, for you to know that people don't really read their books, and more. You can talk about laboratory apparatus, know their usefulness. Videos are coming on that. Talking about measurement, interpretation of data, theory behind experiments, and the likes. Don't forget to click the red subscribe button. Thanks for watching this video. More are coming up. Bye for now.